Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe.
Let me show you something most beginners never realize. You can memorize Russian vocabulary, learn basic grammar, even form complete sentences, and still not be understood. Not because your Russian is wrong, but because your pronunciation sounds just slightly off. And in Russian, small sound differences can completely change meaning. One vowel shift, one soft or hard sound, and suddenly you're saying a different word. So if you've ever thought, I said it correctly, so why didn't they understand me? This video is for you. Because today, you're going to learn how to speak Russian clearly, confidently, and naturally from day one. No confusion, no overload, just the core principles that actually matter. Let's begin. First, understand this. Russian is not pronounced exactly the way it looks, especially when it comes to vowels. Letters change sound depending on stress. Sounds soften depending on nearby letters, and rhythm matters more than you think. So if it feels confusing at first, that's normal. You're not failing. You're learning a system that works differently. And once you understand that system, everything becomes clearer. This is the most important rule in Russian pronunciation. Word stress determines vowel sound. In Russian, unstressed vowels change. For example, the letter O often sounds like A when it's not stressed. So a word that looks like O might sound like A. This is why beginners feel confused, because they're reading correctly, but pronouncing incorrectly. So here's what you do. Always learn where the stress is, not just the word, because stress equals correct pronunciation. This is one of the biggest differences in Russian. Every consonant can be hard or soft. A hard sound is more firm. A soft sound is more relaxed, with the middle of your tongue raised slightly. For example, b versus b-soft. It's subtle, but very important, because changing from hard to soft can change the meaning of a word. So when you see certain vowels like ya, ye, yo, you, e, they often soften the consonant before them. Think of it like this. Hard equals strong and direct. Soft equals lighter and slightly blended. This one concept alone will dramatically improve your pronunciation. In English, we often pronounce vowels clearly. In Russian, many vowels get reduced, especially when they are not stressed. This means they become shorter, less clear, more relaxed. So instead of saying every letter perfectly, you allow some sounds to fade. This creates the natural rhythm of Russian speech. Without reduction, you sound robotic. With it, you sound natural. The Russian is rolled, but here's the key. You don't need a strong, dramatic roll, just a light vibration. Quick, controlled. If you overdo it, it sounds unnatural. If you avoid it completely, it sounds unclear. So aim for a soft, short roll. Practice slowly, then let it become natural over time. This is one of the most famous Russian sounds, and one of the hardest. E. It doesn't exist in many languages, but here's a simple way to approach it. Relax your mouth. Keep your tongue slightly back and make a neutral sound. Not E, not oo, somewhere in between. Don't stress about perfection, just get close and improve over time. Russian often combines multiple consonants together. At first, this can feel difficult. Words may seem long or hard to pronounce, but here's the trick. Break them down. Slowly, one part at a time. Then connect them. Don't rush. Clarity comes before speed, always. Pronunciation is not just speaking, it's listening. If you don't hear the sounds correctly, you can't reproduce them correctly. So spend time listening. Native speakers, simple phrases, slow audio. Repeat exactly what you hear, not what you think it should sound like. This trains your ear and your speech at the same time. Reading silently won't improve your pronunciation. You need to speak out loud, slowly, clearly. Feel where the sound comes from, your lips, your tongue, your throat. Pronunciation is physical. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. Here's the truth. You don't need perfect pronunciation. You need clear, understandable pronunciation. And that comes from consistency, daily practice, small improvements, step by step. Don't wait to sound perfect. Start speaking now, because progress comes from doing, not waiting. If you remember one thing, remember this. Russian pronunciation is about stress, softness, and rhythm, not just individual letters. At first, it may feel unfamiliar, even frustrating, but with practice, your ear adapts, your mouth adjusts, and suddenly, it starts to feel natural. So take it slow, listen carefully, speak clearly, and trust the process, because from day one, you're already improving. And soon, you won't just speak Russian, you'll be understood.
That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.